1.5 horsepower Century. This is the newest arrival. It's ceramic insulator. It's actually, I have it over here someplace. Let's see. I know I saw it somewhere. I know I have it. Here it is. I have it. Don't have any of its retaining hardware, but can probably fabricate something to put that back in there. Its nameplate is in pretty good shape. We'll put all the specifications for this in the video. It needs a little work. It spins freely, but it overspeeds quite a bit before it transitions. So we're going to see just what it does. Got this nice tachometer here. Here's the tachometer generator. Put this little rubber tip on it, like that. It's hard to do that one-handed. And then it's got a socket right there. I'll plug that into the cord off camera. And then the other end of the cord, another little socket, plugs into the meter right there. Do that off camera. Let's see. I don't know how high this might go. It's got two scales, 0 to 2500 and 0 to 5000. I'm going to put it on the higher scale just to see what might happen. So let's see if I can do all this. So the generator with the rubber tip just goes in the center drill. It's got a bunch of different tips and such in the original box there. So let's see. I want to plug this in and then get the meter on it right away while holding the camera. So we'll see if I can do that. Kind of need more hands. A switch would have been better. This drop cord keeps wanting to flip. And then of course this drop cord has a terrible receptacle in it that doesn't even make contact. Now, I didn't catch it. Anyway, that should be about 1800 without load on it. There it is running. Let's try that again. Oops. Just tripped a breaker. Probably a power strip breaker. Alright, let's try that again. I had this ventilation fan going at the same time. 1/4 horsepower motor on that. And it's probably, yep, that breaker right there. This whole place is wired with temporary power since I'm working on the electrical. Not much is hooked up. This whole house was wired in aluminum, so that had to go. Now let me see if I can do this again. That's kind of hard to do, to hold the camera on the meter and the generator on the shaft and plug in the thing at the same time. Let me see if I can plug that cord in with my foot. Okay, here we're on the meter. I'm going to use my feet to plug this cord in. What a hassle. What a terrible amateur film. Huh. That sounds like our brushes. Oh, you know what? The brushes didn't snap back. So it's open circuited. Well, this is just a most interesting film, isn't it? Okay, it just has a light hum. I gotta kind of, come on now, get them to snap back into position. Alright. We'll come back and try again.